What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Get In There, checking in on a quick little update, man. We back, man. Sorry, apologies from the no updates what's going on in the lab, but it been going down in the lab, man. But I just ain't been worrying about posting. I lost some footage on the project GN. I ain't really worried about posting, vlogging what's going on in the shop, because the last couple times I posted a little shop vlog video, man, and ain't too many people check it out, man. So I don't think that's what everybody want to see. I don't think that's what my followers, my subscribers want to see is me shop vlogging, man. So I'm just posting, man, the projects, man, we're working on, man, how-tos and cutty updates coming, post that stuff. So here's what we got, man. We got Project SS Chevelle, man. Project SS Chevelle is underway. Frame is off. Shout out to my little apprentice boy, man. I had to go to my little god baby graduation. So I had the job about 75% done. My apprentice boy finished it up, man. He sent me a picture. It's off the frame. I said, oh, man. I was just talking about fine. I'm on Instagram, man, today, man. And my little apprentice boy handling the business, man. Shout out to him, man. Apprentice boy about to graduate, man. That's what we got, man. Project Chevelle underway. Got my little body car right there. Trying to take it off the frame, man. Can't have it holding up the frame, man. Holding up the money, man. Got to keep the train going. Project Chevelle underway. LS swap, supercharged 6.2, full frame off, mini tub frame notch. It's got the works going, man. This just might be my SEMA build, man. That's right, get in there, might be at SEMA, man. Tamco ground up build. Tamco ground up. Let me show y'all the billet specialties for the car, man. Cut the light on here. He going all black. He blacking out the car. Billet specialties, 22-inch. These some kind of Pro Touring wheels. They real light. Billet specialties, man. He blacking out the car. Everything going black. Black bumpers. All right, boy, you about to scratch my little bumper up, huh, bro? Oh, you got it on the plastic. Oh, all right. He going everything blacked out. Chevelle. No chrome. Everything blacked out. Door locks going black. Door handles. Mirrors, billet door handles. Everything locks. No chrome on this car will be featured on this car. But y'all stay locked, man. It's gonna be a fun build. It's gonna be a lot to talk about. Got the big block is sold, so don't ask. It's already sold. He messaged me yesterday. Hey, man, when you gonna have this motor out? Cause I got people begging me for this motor. I said, get that money, man. It's gonna come out. So damn, tripping on my tools. So that's it, YouTube. Your boy Mr. Get In There back, man. We faded back. I'm back. Updates back to back, man, on y'all. Raining. So I don't know how the sound coming out in this tin building. Rain hitting off the roof. So wheels off for sale. I think these some American racing wheels or something. 20s on the back. 20s on the front. 22s on the back. 12 bolt for sale. 12 bolt for sale. I think I'm gonna sell these front brakes and put me a Corvette Sprinter on here. 6-piston front brakes for sale too, man. Hit me up if you're interested. Well, 12 bolts might be sold, so just hold up on that. But you can ask me. You can hit me up and ask me about it. That's what we got, YouTube, man. Project Chevelle on the way, man. Gotta do better. I gotta get another one ASAP. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Get In There, checking in on Project SS, man. We gotta bust it down to kneecaps, man, all the way down to our ankles. Got a few brake lines left. Me and the apprentice boy getting it in, man. We working, man. Got Project Goldie on the rack. Stay tuned to that YouTube video coming up. Project Goldie. But getting the frame stripped down. 12 bolt. With 6-piston, 13-inch or 13.5 rotors. Might be for sale, so hit me up if you're interested. Ren will work in the G-body. Focus. Broke another phone, YouTube. The lens cracked right across the camera. Man, I'm gonna go this weekend, get me another phone, and I'm gonna pull out the GoPro. I'm gonna order me another GoPro on Amazon. I'm gonna order me one of them little cheap Amazon GoPros. They say they work pretty good, man. And I need to get my GoPro game up, because probably start back hitting the car shows. So anyway, getting that good footage. But anyway, rear end wheel work in the G body need to be shortened, but wheel work in the G body though. What else? So Project Goldie, man. We got to strip down. I got a lot of frame welding to do. I got a tool kit to weld on it. Frame notch kit. Box the frame. Frame is a spaghetti frame, just like a G body. I ain't got it positioned right, but it's frame of spaghetti frame, just like a G body, but we're gonna tighten it up. Kind of hard to do. I ain't really got a position right, but trust me. Frame is a frame is a spaghetti frame, just like a G body. But get this busted down, clean up, get it on the rack. So I get the welding going, man. Got probably about good 30, 40 hours of welding to do on this thing, man. Stiffen up the frame. Probably go over all the welds, all the way around on the whole frame. Just stay locked, man. Gonna be a good build, man. Your boy Mr. Get It Over and Out.